Hey, I'm Patricia Druwen. I'm here in Rotorua for the Crankworx Slopestyle World Championships, and this is my bike check. Let's start with the tires. I ride the Maxxis DTH at the front and the rear. It's a perfect grip for me, perfect for the slopestyle course with 4 bar. My frame is the Roast the Bruce size medium frame. My fork is the RockShox Pike DJ with 165 PSA, and the rebound is in a medium, so not too slow, not too fast, it's perfect for me. I ride the SRAM XO cranks in carbon, 165 millimeters. It's good for me because I'm not so tall and I can do so good bar spins with not so tall cranks. And this was my bike check from Crankworx Rotorua.